Our meters are specified according to the MID certification. MID is the Measurement Instrument Directive done by the European Union. This means the quality and the measurement value naming needs to be according to this certification. If you want to use our MID-conform meter in any kind of sub-metering application, it's easy to use. You can use it in EV charging, you can use it in contract manufacturing where you want to bill a certain part of your manufacturing to your customer, or you can use it also in shop-in-shop solutions, for example, on an airport where you have different dedicated small shops and you want to bill the energy consumption of these shops to the whole service provider of the airport. If you want to use our product beyond the MID certification, this is also not a big deal because it's a general meter for sub-metering applications, or you can also use it in the control circuit for PV inverters because the measurement is very fast and can deliver the current measurements and the energy measurements in the right time for any kind of application.